Overworked and underpaid. It's no secret that us teachers aren't in education for the money. We have jam-packed schedules between working tirelessly to create new lesson plans and classroom resources to meet the dynamic needs of our students. Not to mention that the compensation for the limitless time spent meticulously curating these lessons and preparing our students is less than satisfying. Well, by joining Teachers Pay Teachers, you will be able to supplement your income simply by sharing those classroom resources and lesson plans. Join me today as I take you through the top 10 best times of the year to make more money on Teachers Pay Teachers. Number 10, back to school. The holiday is officially over and students go back to school. This is an exciting time of the year. They start a new grade, meet new teachers, and get new books, and get to know new classmates. There are also quite a few exciting events that happen at the beginning of the school year. And as a seller on Teachers Pay Teachers, this is probably the highest earning time of the year for you. Take it from someone with experience. Create welcome back to school resources and sell them in your store. Design welcome letter templates for teachers to introduce themselves and start the school year right. You can even include letters to students and letters to parents all in one pack. Design a scrapbook for back to school team building activities. Develop teaching plans and more because this is the time when they are in high demand. You can even check out some welcome back to school stores in the Teachers Pay Teachers site, or TPT for short, like the Heart to Heart Teaching Store. You can even check out my store at The Underrated Teacher. Number 9, holidays. Holidays are mainly a day free from work for employees. Usually, holidays might differ from one state to another, but the school holidays are almost the same just about anywhere you go. People plan their vacations with great excitement and try their best to make it one of the most beautiful and memorable ones, whereas some plan to relax at home and enjoy their time off with family and friends, maybe organizing a private evening party or a dinner program so that they can just simply spend enough time with their loved ones. There are several holidays. We have Black History Month, Earth Day, Easter, Halloween, Martin Luther King Day, President's Day, St. Patrick's Day, and Christmas, just to name a few. As a seller, you can capitalize on all of these holidays by designing resources for each and posting them to your store. At these times, teachers will typically be too busy planning for the holiday, and they will take their academic assignments and put them on the back burner. Therefore, there will be a high demand for holiday resources to suit their students' needs. Try packing each unit with literacy, writing extensions, math, reading comprehension, STEM, warm-up, or review activities, and answer keys just to make them more interesting. You can check out the Having Fun First store and see how to develop and design these incredible holiday resources. Number 8, current events. Look for trending topics native to one's area or someplace else. Anything that impacts students, like the inauguration of a new president in office, attack on the White House, racial unrest in America, global warming in the North and South Poles. These events will give you ideas for designing current event summaries, short descriptions of an event that has recently happened or is going to happen. Junior and senior high school educators often assign current event summaries to teach research, writing, and editing skills. Whenever there is a Talk of the Week topic, there will always be a demand for these summaries by teachers who will have their hands full. Design graphic organizer worksheets that help students analyze and summarize the day's current events on popular news stations like CNN 10. These various templates will help students of all ages stay engaged while watching CNN 10. A simple writing format helps students recognize, summarize, and write opinions about the major headlines of the day. Number 7, TPT sale events. Sales are a great way to drum up interest in your resources. You can put specific products on sale or set a store-wide discount for a limited period during the Teachers Pay Teachers sale. With most schools prepping for some sort of distance learning option, this is the perfect time to purchase new materials for online learning or to print and send home. During this period, sellers offer discounts to their resources by throwing a sale. And with that, you'll get a good number of buyers and expand your customer numbers as you drum up profits in your resources. Number 6, student seasonal breaks. Teachers usually get holidays and breaks off, but many of the special days students have off are teacher work days or planned professional development days. Seasonal breaks like summer vacation, summer school, spring break, winter break, etc., depending on what is created, this offers the opportunity for enrichment, remediation, reinforcement, or simply a recreational or therapeutic activity during the downtime. During these breaks, design seasonal break writing templates for students and pupils to write everything about their school breaks. Differentiate it for different skill levels. You can even design holiday break countdown bundles for seasonal school counseling activities. It is at these breaks that teachers and parents highly need seasonal break activities. Number 5, test prep. Test preparation or exam preparation is an educational course, tutoring service, educational material, or a learning tool designed to increase students' performance on standardized tests. Examples of these tests include entrance examinations used for admissions to higher educational institutions, such as the SAT or ACT for college, the LSAT for law school, the MCAT for medical school, the GRE for graduate school, or any other local and statewide testing you're required to administer to your students who are still in grade school. There are many resources and services on which students may draw as they prepare for standardized tests, including mock exams, mind maps, study guides, and courses. During test prep periods, design these resources and you'll be amazed by the amount of money you'll generate from them. Number 4, traditional school-wide events or celebrations. Special school-wide events that get parents and the community involved are tremendous opportunities to shed light on the great work your students and teachers do every day. These events may include graduation, homecoming, or activities like completing a yearbook, and so on. During these events, the demand for graduation templates, yearbook templates, and homecoming letters increases. And if you're a TPT seller, this would be a great time of year for you. Number 3, staff celebrations. Staff celebrations like the Teacher Appreciation Days are designated to honoring and celebrating our teachers' hard work and dedication. During this week, schools show their love and appreciation to their teachers by having students and parents participate in activities to give thanks and acknowledge their teachers. During this week, most parents will be on their Teacher Pay Teacher sites looking for templates and mega bundles for their children's teachers, including gift tags, thank you notes, student-teacher goodbye books, and so on. If you're a seller of such resources, you will definitely make a fortune in that week. Number 2, global events that impact everyone. Whenever international events occur, everyone ends up being affected. Take, for example, the COVID-19 pandemic. There was a need to not only create lots of digital activities for instructional support, but also social and emotional support to help students impacted by unexpected events that occur as a result. Such events, however tragic, might be a blessing for you as a seller in the Teacher Pay Teacher platform. You can design templates and teaching plans that would suit the needs of the teachers and students. And while helping the community, you'll also get a boost of your income. I should note that if such event creates tragedy and hardships, it's often appreciated if you are generous with your offers. So aim to be super generous if you can, and offer significantly discounted or even free resources. Yes, we have to consider our own livelihood, but we also want to be cognizant of others who are not as fortunate as us. Number 1, seasons. During seasons like spring, summer, winter, fall, students are given breaks from school. And with the syllabus still at hand, teachers always find a way to keep the studies going. During these periods, schools may want to incorporate activities to celebrate the changing of the seasons. As a seller, you can design season bundles for lower grades, carpet games for the kindergarten classes, and even holiday break countdown bundles for seasonal school counseling activities. Because at these seasons, seasonal break templates are highly needed by teachers and parents. So there you have it. Top 10 best times of the year to make more money on Teachers Pay Teachers. And if you're a teacher like myself, it's time for you to start doing your thing and see the money flow into your account. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed my video. Just be sure to subscribe to my channel for more of my amazing content. Please give me a like, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates for more of my videos. I value your feedback. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. See you soon.